I'm Canadian artist Roxanne Jervis, and today I'm going to show you with Stylus another technique that you can use it on. I'm looking at a pencil outline here, and a lot of these woodless pencils are dark with printing on the side. So again, very simply, check the method of doing it. I'll go through it quickly. Shouldn't take long. Put a piece of cardboard or something underneath your piece of paper. And I'm going to write on here using a ruler in here just to keep the printing straight because I want to be able to see it really well. I'm going to take a medium end on here. What you can do actually is you want to check how deep the grooves will go with the different sizes and how fine you want the printing to be. You can do a few scratches here and check how clear and crisp the lines are. So I'm going to take this end, I don't know what the number would be, and it's a Pentalic pen, number 8911. So pressing very hard, 8911. I need a bit more light so I can see what I'm doing here. P. So I have printed with my stylus what was written on the pen, and then you do exactly the same thing. Take your 6, 7, 8, 9B pen and again go on the side of the point, not on the point itself, and go over the line, fill in the line, and try very hard not to have the outline of the pencil darker than what the filling is, because you don't want that outline to show. So here we go, down the other side now. And then I'm going to take the stump to make the pencil or the graphite smoother, so you're getting a little bit different texture between the darks. And I'm not using the actual point, I'm using the side of the point. Or I could use the tortillon as well. And I'm going to put a little bit of highlight in there. I want to put in a little line in here. So there you go. There's the printing, nice and bright. And in hindsight, I could have actually put a light groove where the plastic coating on the pencil and the graphite separate. So please share with your friends and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.